To start a private label business without the hassle, a platform can be utilized to sell supplement products with a custom label. This platform allows for easy product design, selection, and launch, and can also be integrated with an online store. The first step is to create an account on the platform and an online store, and then sign in to both accounts. The platform offers a range of products to sell, including vitamins, minerals, specialty supplements, and more, which can be filtered by category. For example, filtering by foods and beverages and proteins and blends reveals products like coffee, collagen, and grass-fed collagen peptides. These products can be customized with a custom label, and the platform makes it easy to do so using a template and a design tool like Canva. The label can be customized with different colors, designs, and elements, and then uploaded to the platform. Once the product is customized, it can be connected to an online store, and the platform handles order fulfillment, shipping the product directly to the customer. The platform offers different pricing plans, including a free plan, a starter plan, and a creator plan, each with different features and benefits. The starter plan is recommended, as it offers a 15% discount, live customer support, and additional product mock-ups, which can help increase sales. The platform is a great tool for starting a supplement business, as it handles product creation, labeling, and fulfillment, allowing the business owner to focus on marketing and sales. With the platform, it's possible to create a professional-looking product and store without a lot of upfront costs or hassle. The process of creating a product, customizing the label, and connecting it to an online store is straightforward, and the platform provides the necessary tools and support to get started.